Electrical accidents can occur at any time and can certainly kill or seriously injure you. Electrical hazards, unlike mechanical hazards, are not usually obvious. A live wire appears no different to a dead wire. Electricity is therefore a serious potential danger and a concern to all employees in all workplaces. Electrical accidents can cause burns, electric shock, fire and other injuries resulting from falls and jolts. The more serious injuries include amputations from burns and maiming, heart conditions and fatalities. Electrical accidents can be caused by unsafe work practices, unsafe workplaces, unsafe equipment and/or insulation. The electrical industry recognises that the major contributing factor of electrical accidents in the workplace is poor work practices. Flexible cords and extension cords which are damaged and deteriorated have led to many accidents involving electricity. If you're using electrical cords or leads in your work area, check to see that the cord have 3 core leads which are secure and have a continuous earth circuit. Standards require regular testing and tagging of cord extension sets and flexible cords used in our workplaces. It is up to you to follow correct safe working procedures and report all problems requiring fixing to your maintenance department or manager or supervisor. If you have any doubts about the cord you're using, insist that an electrician checks it for you. Portable power tools are also a major source of electrical accidents. The insulation of your power tool will protect you, but you should always follow the manufacturer's instructions for use. Once again, these tools should be regularly tested and tagged. Again, if you have any doubts about the power tool you're using, insist that an electrician checks it for you. Here are some simple rules when working with electricity. Never tamper with electrical supply circuits or systems. Leave this to the qualified professional. Ensure that all the equipment you're using is properly maintained and that all faults are reported. Identify the electrical hazards in your area. Check that cords and portable electrical equipment are regularly tested and tagged. Check the insulation of your equipment before connecting it, especially extension cords. Make sure the equipment is earthed. Wear adequate footwear, for example, safety boots with insulated soles. Be aware of signs of wear or neglect with portable equipment, for example, worn or frayed leads, broken plugs, sparks or noise from motors. Do not use double adapters and piggyback fittings. When working near overhead power lines, spend time surveying the area and establish a safe work procedure. Inspect the flexible extension cords in your work area for signs of wear. Make sure electrical cords are not lying in water, across aisles where forklifts or other mobile plant could damage them, or creating a tripping hazard in your work area. Find out if there's a qualified electrician on site who can check equipment for you. There are Australian standards, New Zealand standards for in-service safety inspection and testing of electrical equipment.